Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making potatoes, steak, shrimp, and a broccoli meal. So you have, this is Angus beef steaks. Yep, you see it? I have 2 packs. By the way, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification button so you'll know when the next video uploads. I have broccoli as well. I am going to add some shrimp to this meal. My dog is in the background. Excuse her. Somebody might be here. But I'm actually going to open the steak and place it on in the pan right now. Place all the steak on the pan. See, I'm going to add every last one of them. I'm going to add both packs and actually add the potatoes. My hands are already washed. Everything was already done. So don't say, oh, she didn't wash her hands, because she did. She always do that. She makes sure she do that no matter what. That's a must. Any woman's supposed to wash their hands anytime they cook. It's a must. Even though you didn't see everything on the video, it happened. Captain. So, let's open the next pack. See how thick it is? It's a nice cut. I'm going to add the rest of them. Make sure everything fits in this pot. Trust me, I am going to fit everything in here. I promise you it's going to all go in here. And everything's going to cook nice and evenly. Because I'm used to doing this. I do it all the time. You see how all that meat's in there nice and even? I am going to add the potatoes next. I'm going to season the meat up first. I'm add seasoning salt. All purpose, more seasoned salt. I'm going to add a little bit of that. And I'm not doing any measurements today. I don't feel like it's Sunday. I'm just going to season everything and cook it. Like, season it to your liking, guys. Some accent. Add a little bit of that. My husband is in the background talking. Ignore him right now. Next, I'm going to add garlic powder. Yep, everything's going to be nice and seasoned. It's going to be tasty. Parsley next. Add some parsley to that meat. That makes everything so pretty. The little greenery on the outside. Now I have some herbs. Some fine herbs. And I'm going to add that to this as well. I got those herbs from Amazon. Something different. Next, I'm going to add my potatoes. You see it has sea salt and black pepper in it already, so I didn't have to add any salt or pepper into it because I already have enough and I don't want to overdo it. So now I'm going to open this and add it to my meat. You don't have to cook it that long. I'm going to keep it in there at least 25 to 30 minutes in the oven, which I'm going to have that on 425. And it's 2 packs of potatoes already seasoned. It's like a double mix twin. Yep. 2 things of potatoes. So I'm going to add the first one. I'm going to open this. It's a little hard opening, but I'm getting it, guys. I'm getting it. Now I'm going to add it. See the potatoes? Add it all to the meat. It don't matter how you add it in there, just as long as you throw it in there, because it's all going to cook evenly. It's going to cook. It's going to be so good. And I'm going to open the second package. We're going to add all these potatoes. Everything's going to be so tasty, guys. It's a little tough opening, but I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Second package is open, and I'm dumping everything inside. Everything inside. See, now I'm gonna discard the empty containers I don't need anymore. It had melony, yellow potatoes. They have all kind of potatoes in there. So I'm gonna actually add some mushrooms to this as well. I'm washing the mushrooms, make sure they are nice and clean, and I'm gonna cut them up a little bit and add some mushrooms to it. This wasn't a part of the plan, but I'm gonna add it because I think it will make it taste amazing. And I'm gonna add it to set the temp to 425, the oven to 425. Once the oven is all heated, I'm going to add it. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water to the potatoes so everything get cooked down nice and evenly. I'm gonna cover it up with some aluminum foil, and I'm going to place it in the oven. Once it reaches the temperature, the temperature is to my liking, I just added it. Now I'm going to start my pot for my broccoli. I'm going to put a half a cup of water and boil it. First, I'm going to add the shrimp to the pan to put in the oven to cook that nice and evenly. I'm going to put some seasonings on it, and then I'm going to add it to my steak and potatoes. See, I'm going to add some garlic powder to it. Yep. Put it in the oven. Next, I'm going to put my pot back on there with my half cup of water for my broccoli. Add some sea salt in there. Some garlic powder. Yep, once this water boils, I'm going to add the broccoli. It is all set. It's boiled. You see I added my broccoli. Look at it. You can't let it get mushy and cook too much. I hate mushy broccoli. So it's going to cook down. You see how it's all up and, there's a lot of broccoli is going to actually start to disappear a little bit because for some reason it disappears after a while. I don't know. That's just something that happens. Yep, something that just happens. That broccoli is actually cooking. Yep. Now I'm going to check the steak. Took everything off. Make sure everything is cooking over there. Looks like everything is going well. Mix those potatoes and steak in. Woohoo! That thing is over there cooking. It is cooking, guys. Now I'm going to actually drain some of that water out of the steak because it added its own water. So I'm going to drain that out of there. Actually placed it back in the oven for another 15 minutes on 425 degrees. Yep. And look at that. Look at it. Just want you to take a look at it. Everything looks so good, right? Look at it. The broccoli. See, I told you how. Well, the broccoli actually started disappearing because they started eating it because it was so yummy. So I'm about to actually end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Until next time, see ya.
Life in a world that keeps